Hi, today in front of you Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app. Now click here Enable in Settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click here to the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Now click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. We can see so that the process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.